again. This is your boy Jamaican Mixmaster. We're coming with another epic video. Yes, my friend. So we're gonna come out with a different kind of drink and something interesting. They call it the pink Barbie. Alright guys, so stay tuned. We're coming out with this drinks mix. And we are back. You know, the pink Barbie. This was a drink that somebody asked me to make. Yeah, I could make other drink, but this is a very interesting drink. So we're gonna make it with Baileys. This is the ingredients. Have good Baileys. Yeah. This is one of the main ingredients for this cocktail where we're coming out with. They call it the pink Barbie. Baileys. Cocoa Maniac. You can use any coconut rum of your choice. Alright? And we have some cherry syrup. So, you know, you can use any kind of syrup, strawberry, whatever. And some cherry milk. Some call it cherry malt. You know, back in the days in Jamaica, we used to have the cherry malt. Alright? Some use chocolate malt, but we will use cherry malt for this pink Barbie drink. Alright guys, so let's get into it. So we put some Baileys, we put 1 ounce. Put 2 ounce. Yeah. Cocoa Maniac rum. Coconut rum, yeah, 1 ounce. And we're gonna put some cherry malt. This is gonna be so interesting. Alright. Some cherry syrup, and we're gonna add some ice, and we're gonna shake it up. But before we shake it up, let's bless it up. That's a great drink, but you need a little more shake. So we're going to strain off the ice into this cute little glass. Amazing. This glass was given to me to use. The sponsor don't want to call a name. So thanks for the sponsor for this glass. Very cute. The pink Barbie. Alright guys, there you have it. Cocoa Maniac rum. Coconut rum, Baileys, some cherry syrup, and you can use any cherry malt milk of your choice. Very, very easy ingredients. You're at home and you just feel like you want to make something nice and refreshing. This is the drink for it. Alright, so we're gonna go straight to the display with this drink, the pink Barbie. Stay tuned for it. Boom!
And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a can. Like Jazzy, Stacy, Nikki. All of the Barbies is pretty. All of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. Rad, but he spank me when I get bad. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm a Barbie girl. Pink Barbie dream house. The way it can be killing. got me yelling out like the scream house. Yelling out, we ain't selling out. We got money, but we ain't lending out. We got bars, but we ain't belling.
Alright guys, so you see it. This is the pink Barbie where you've been all waiting for. And this is going to be a hot drink. Alright guys, so you know what? I'm not going to make it go to waste. I'm going to have a taste.